Smoothens cuticle. Controls frizz. Protects against UV rays. Shine, defrizz and add the perfect finishing touch. Created by blondes for blondes. And all the colors in between. Bedhead Dumb Blonde Smoothing Stuff. Smoothing stuff is designed to defrizz, shine, and add the perfect finishing touch to your locks. Dumb Blonde Smoothing Stuff restores moisture to color-treated or processed hair, helping to bring it back to life. Leaves your hair smelling sweet like papaya. Our product is great for blondes and everyone else too. About US-inspired Inspiring Youth CultureTIGI was conceived by the four Mascolo brothers, providing them with the liquid tools to style and finish their hairstyles. TIGI is a haircare brand that is strongly influenced by fashion and sold only through professional hairdressers. Linked to urban culture with trends derived from the street, the Bedhead brand's pick and mix philosophy is synonymous with youth, people bent on enjoying themselves rather than spending hours on pampering. A lifestyle brand linking to new trends in music, club culture and individualism, Bedhead is popular with hairdressers everywhere, defining the creativity of Anthony Mascolo and the cult following that defines the TIGI Creative Team. Top reviews from the United States. Love at first try. This is a great product for me. It makes my hair baby soft and stops the frizzies. Been looking for it all my life. Hope they never stop making it. When I run out of it, I buy 2 more bottles. Always have a backup. If you live near the coast, like I do, it's a must for frizz control. Smells good too.